I haven't made a mail day video in some time now. So, with all that snow we've been having, all it's doing is snowing outside, and it's February 23rd. So I grabbed a stack of packages I got in this week. Let's open it. It should be a lot of fun. So, I can tell you we got some Nintendo cartridges, some Commodore stuff, maybe some autographs. You know we collect autographs also. Here's one of our autograph walls you see in the background in a lot of our videos. Let's open this purple one first. That could be interesting. Don't worry, we'll fast forward through a lot of this stuff here and get to the good parts. RoboCop for the NES. This one is Fractal. Fractal. I wonder what that means. Whoa. When you buy these online, I'm trying to find ones with nice labels and that you get the one that they're showing. That's nice. $7 and free shipping for Hollywood Squares. Yes, I needed that. Nice end label. Interesting, a lot of people don't send an invoice or anything in there. That's weird. This was probably only just a couple dollars. One more of these. No invoice. But look at this. Wow. Where do I buy these plastic covers at? Guys, post in the comments below where can I buy some of these. That is a really nice looking cartridge. Do not bend. Well, that means that's going to be an autograph. We've been collecting autographs for well over 10 years, me and Leon. We get a lot of them in person from all the concerts we go to. A large amount of in-person autographs. This is not how you ship an autograph with this taped in there like that. How lame is that? That's the dumbest thing I've seen. Do not do this. Ariel Keeble. It's a nice autograph. We got a page protector. We'll put this in. Photographs. Do not bend. Taylor Cole. Do you know who she is? Well, I don't know, but I guess we can't see. I wonder what this looks like underneath. Uh-oh. That's a nice autograph. Alright, let's get back to the games. What is this? I know this isn't an autograph. I got Leanne over there talking, but she didn't want to be in this video. Oh, Playmeter magazine. You know I collect Playmeter magazines. And we're going to flip through here and try to find a game I've never played before. Let's see if we can take a quick look. Moon Shuttle. What the heck is that? I've never played Moon Shuttle before. Be sure to subscribe. This could be our next ancient arcade video. Alright, I think we found it. Cool. Alright, I needed this one for my collection. This is October 15th, 1981. We have Commodore 64. Commodore 64 disc. You know, I'm mainly a Commodore 64 collector. These are all original discs, if I remember correctly. I got some manuals. Very nice. Operation Wolf. Flip open. Very nice, fun game. Anything else? No. Alright, Commodore 64. Alright, we got some bubble wrap. Can save that. We're going to recycle that and do our sports. This is a really common Commodore 64 game. Sky Fox. Oh, I had that back in the day. That's a great game. Demon Stalkers. Another great game. Now, Moon Saga. This is not very common, this game. Check it out. Oh wait, does this open up like a book? Very nice. I get the disc in frequently, a few times a year. I don't think I've ever had the box. The box is in really good condition. SSI Adventure Games. That's what I was going for. The code wheel. Remember the code wheel for the copy protection? If you need any of these, they're on my Commodore 64 copy protection blog right here. Every Commodore 64 code wheel ever released is on that blog. If not, let me know and I will find it. Hardball, super common game. Usually about $9 or $10, but with box makes it a little nicer. California game and box. That's awesome. The train still has the shrink wrap on it. This game's pretty fun. Bismarck. I've had this a few times before. It's not very common. World's Greatest Baseball. This is a fun baseball game. I just sold a copy of Dive Bomber last week. I went to like Germany or someplace. Looks like I got another one in. It's not a really high demand game. I don't know why. It's kind of fun. Apollo 18. Alright, there we go. Well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this box opening video. I can't believe how nice this bump and jump cartridge is. Alright, remember to subscribe for more of my retro gaming videos. I always have stuff coming in the mail. I don't have a P.O. box. Someday I'll get a P.O. box. I really don't think I need one right now. Even though my main channel, my main Steve's World channel is thousands of subscribers. Check that out. And thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe right there. And post your comments below. Do you collect NES, Commodore 64? How about autograph? That was a weird thing I threw in there. Oh, and we're going to review that game in that Play Meter magazine. So we'll do that. I'm going to record that one later today, and we'll see when I get that posted. Thanks for watching. Somebody mailed me this for free. Thank you. Add that to the collection. We'll go through these real quick. Clue. Gauntlet. Karate Guy. That's a great game. I've never seen or played this game before. Leaderboard. Looks like the label fell off that one. Label's loose. A lot of golf games. Another hardball. Let's open this pack. World Games Boxing 2. Contra. Contra's a great game. Even the Commodore 64. I hope that one works. It's funny how popular Mech Expedition is. Really actually pretty popular game. The Pawn and the President's Edition. This might be the second disc to the other one. Golf. A lot of golf games. Mr. Do. That's kind of a hard to find disc. I've never had this game. I've had this game before. Care Warriors, great. Spy vs. Buff. Alright. Back to here we are. Thanks for watching, everybody. That's what where the disc I got in.